Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled The Summit Within. This is the chapter which I have to teach you today. Here the title is Summit. Summit means peak or also the highest place, and within means inside. Means there is a peak which is available inside us, and it is very difficult to climb on that very peak. Related to this very topic is here, and we will come to know about the meaning and also about the explanation of this title also. Here this chapter or this topic has been written by Major Ahluwalia. His full name is Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia, and he is a first Indian expedition to the Mount Everest in 1955. Means he has been a member of this very expedition team, and with the help of his comrades, with the help of the members of his group, he got success to climb on the top peak of India named Mount Everest. And even it is also said that this Mount Everest peak is the highest, and for the purpose of climbing on this very peak, a person need endurance. Endurance means tolerance, and persistence. Persistence means determination and also willpower. If anybody will have these very three qualities, then after that person will be successful to climb on the peak of Mount Everest. Otherwise, the man will not be successful. And also, when a person will climb on the Mount Everest, then after climbing, the person will feel very comfortable, the person will feel relaxed, and automatically there will be something change in that very person, and that memory will be forever with that. Means climbing on the Mount Everest, that create a imagination, that create a memory forever. The man will depart from this world, but his work will make him survive forever. And even it is also said that for the purpose of climbing Mount Everest or any peak, a person get maturity in his body. Means a person get physical fulfillment, emotional fulfillment, and also spiritual fulfillment. These very three type of qualities automatically develop in that person or in any person. So here Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia, he realized all these three qualities inside us, and he also suggests that we can say that it makes a man in such a way that the person thinks that nothing is impossible in this earth, everything is possible, only we have to determine ourselves that really we will be successful. When this Major Ahluwalia he got success, then after that he says that really in this world there are two highest peak. One peak, that is the Mount Everest, and second peak which is available inside our body, inside us. Means the peak which is available on the outside, on that very peak it is easy, it is not difficult, not very difficult or not easy, but on the basis of struggle, on the basis of effort, a person can climb on the physical Mount Everest. But the Everest which is available, the peak which is available inside our body, that very peak is the highest than any other peak in the world. So it is necessary for us that we have to overcome, we have to get victory on the peak which is inside us. If we will be successful, then it is sure that nothing is impossible, and and everything will be very minor for us. Here, when Major Ahluwalia reached to the Mount Everest in 1965, after reaching there, he got or he saw that some people they left some relics as memory, as we can say that reverence. And Major Ahluwalia he left on the peak of Mount Everest a picture of Guru Nanak. Means Major Ahluwalia he belonged to Sikh community. Due to this, he left there a picture of Guru Nanak. He saw that Rawat, he was also a person who climbed on the Mount Everest. This Rawat left there a picture of goddess Durga. Means Rawat belonged to Hindu community, and according to his tradition, he left there a picture of goddess Durga. Also, he saw that there was a picture which belonged to Buddha religion. Means Phu Dorji. Phu Dorji. He was a person who climbed on the Mount Everest, and he left there a picture of a relic of Buddha. Means he belonged to both religion. And Major Ahluwalia also saw that there was Edmund Hillary who climbed on the Mount Everest and who left there a symbol of cross. Means Edmund Hillary belonged to Christian community. These very person climbed on the Mount Everest and they left some relics, they left something in the form of memory. And even it is also said that when Major Ahluwalia started to down from the Mount Everest, at that very time he was also feeling very happy himself, because the target which was looking very difficult, he has crossed that very difficult. Here the message of this very chapter is this, that in this very world nothing is possible, everything is possible, but for this we will have to determine ourselves, we will have to visit ourselves, we will have to start our work in such a way which will lead us towards the success. Means we will have to do according to our goal, and if we will divert from our goal, then it is sure that we can never achieve our target. So we have to focus on the target which we have already fixed. This is the purpose of this very chapter also. And that story, the title is already the Summit Vidhi. Summit Vidhi means the highest peak available inside our body. We have to climb on that very Everest. So here the story ends, and I have already made you understand the message, the story of this very chapter. So now if you will have any questions, then you can also ask. Here generally we can say that Major Ahluwalia he belonged to army, and he labored very hard. If you would not be laboring hard, then it is sure that you would not be successful. But he labored hard, then after that he got his target, and after getting his target, he shared his experience with others. Then after that, he published in your book, and now we are reading. So if we will or you will do something extra than the common people, it is sure that you will also share something with others, and your name will also come in the coming time. So concentrate your mind towards your work, get your target according to the planning. Then after that, everything will be looking very easy. So that's all for you today. Thank you.